This video will show you how to apply a crystalline infinity motif to a paper box. This self-adhesive product consists of flat backs in different shapes, sizes, heights, and colors. Make sure that the surface to which you want to apply the crystalline infinity is suitable for gluing. Make sure the motif sticks to the transparent film. Place the motif on the desk with the crystals pointing upward. Wipe over the transparent film on top of the crystals. Next, turn the motif around and peel off the white protective film at an acute angle. Position the motif in the desired location and press down firmly. Carefully remove the transparent film at an acute angle and press down on the motif again.